Hello students, today I will teach you about the power amplifier. So let's start with the basic introduction. Amplifier system consists of transducers to convert one form of energy into another and produces small electrical signal which needs sufficient amplification to operate some output device. Therefore, after transducer, voltage amplifier is used, which offers high resistance to the input transducer to minimize the loading effect and to provide enough voltage signal to the large signal amplifier to operate further output devices. Power amplifier must operate efficiently and should be capable of handling large amounts of power, that is from few watts to hundred of watts. Power amplifier is required to raise the power level of the input signal to get the large power at the output. Therefore, it is necessary that the input signal voltage is large. Therefore, voltage amplifiers always precedes the power amplifier. It is the basic block diagram showing the different stages of amplifier. Initially, we have the transducer, and the input of transducer is in the non-electrical form and the output of transducer is in electrical form. And next we have voltage amplifier stages, and next we have the power amplifier. And at the output we have the loudspeaker as the output load. We can also use a stepper motor in this case, right? It is a basic introduction of the power amplifier. So let's start with the difference between voltage amplifier and power amplifier. Voltage amplifier is also known as the small signal amplifier, and power amplifier is also known as the large signal amplifier. And next we have the primary function of voltage amplifier is to raise the voltage level of the signal, and in the power amplifier it is a device that converts DC power to AC power according to the AC signal applied to the input. And next we have, it is designed to achieve the largest possible gain. It is required to deliver large amount of power through these circuits. The voltage gain should be high to get high voltage amplification. Therefore, transistors having thin base, that is high beta values, are used. In order to achieve high power, large sized power transistors are used in order to dissipate the heat produced in the transistor. And transistors having thick base value and smaller beta values are used to handle large currents. Input resistance, that is Rin, is kept low in comparison to low resistance to get high voltage gain. In the case of power amplifier, RC is made low. If its value is high, power loss across RC can increase. And the value of RC should be equals to 10 kilo ohm in case of voltage amplifier, and it is equal to 5 to 20 ohm in case of power amplifier. RC coupling is used to connect different stages of voltage amplifier because of its small size and cheaper cost. Transformer coupling is used for the impedance matching because two connected stages in order to deliver maximum power. Voltage amplifier have less dissipation power, that is PD is less than equals to 0.5 watt, and in the case of power amplifier the power dissipation factor is greater than 0.5 watt. And next we have, size of input signal is small, few millivolt only, and the size of input signal is large, that is 2 to 4 volt. Heat sinks are not used in the case of voltage amplifier, and heat sinks are used in the case of power amplifiers. Voltage amplifier is always used as a pre-amplifier stages, and power amplifier is used in the last stage of the circuit. And next we have the different terminologies that we used in the power amplifier. First is the power efficiency, second is power dissipation capacity, third is distortion. So let's start with the definition of these terms. First is power efficiency. It is given as the ratio of AC output power to the DC input power, and DC input power is also called the zero signal power. Power amplifier is designed to get maximum collector efficiency. Power dissipation capacity, that is PDC, as power transistor handles large current and heats up during the operation, which may cause the rise in junction temperature to a very dangerous level. Therefore, this power dissipation capacity can be increased by making suitable provision for rapid conduction of heat away from the junction. Third is distortion. It is the change of output wave shape, or we can say that the unwanted changes in the output waveform from its original input, it should be minimum. And it is all about the basic introduction of the power amplifier. And in the next lecture, we will discuss about the class A amplifier in detail. So, thank you.